Did you know that by knowing only 2 elements of ballroom dancing, you can do more than 7 dances? Let me demonstrate for you. So number 1 element of dance would be rock step. So this is a rock step. We're basically rocking from one foot to another. Rock step. So this is a rock step. Number 2 element of dance is a triple step. So it's a 3 step one side and another. So we go triple step, triple step. So knowing only these 2 elements, we can do more than 7 dances. So let me show you. So let's take element number 1, rock step. If we do rock step backward and combining with a rock step forward, we have a dance which is called salsa, and we count it like this: 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So if we change timing a little bit, and we're gonna step on count 2, we have a second dance which is called Mambo with the same basic step. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this already 2 dances, salsa and mambo. So now if we combine a rock step with a triple step, and again we add 1 more triple step, we get a very popular dance. It's called swing. So this is dance number 3, swing. So we have a rock step, triple step, triple step. Or we can count 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Now if we change timing slightly, we have a new dance, dance number 4, which is jive. We're gonna count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we'll also, of course, add the character of the jive, that jumping feel to it, and changing timing, changing the rhythm. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now we already have 4 dances. Now let's move on. If we're gonna dance just the triple step itself, it's another dance, dance number 5, which is called polka. Triple step, triple step, triple step, and you can dance polka, of course, together with the partner. Now next, dance number 6, we can do, if we combine rock step with another triple step and 1 more rock step, we have a very popular dance which is called cha-cha. So go rock, step, cha-cha-cha, rock, step, cha-cha-cha. Now, the last but not the least dance is going to be bachata. So bachata is very simple. You're doing triple step, as always, and then we add a little bit tap at the end with the hip. So go triple step, tap, triple step, tap, or with the timing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I want you to remember, of course, what creates dance is not only the step, it's the character of the dance, the action used, and the timing, the rhythm of it. But this is a great opportunity for you to start introducing yourself to the ballroom dancing. Enjoy and follow for more.
Dance with Oleg app for iPhone and Android.